Alright, been cranking on this for a while now. I'm getting tired. Hands aren't too happy about all this either. It's getting a little easier to rotate, but it still takes a lot to do it. Alright, let's see what we got now. So this spot here, that's our tight spot. I got some drag on that. These are our tightest areas that we were before. They get looser there now. Looks like it's only one spot in 2 turns it gets tight. Which we're coming up right now. Alright, so it's getting pretty close. So it needs another few hundred rotations here to get to where it's really just right. So every 2 turns you got one spot there, about a quarter of a turn where it's tight. Everything else is pretty good, feels like. The problem is the other 2.5 turns you got nothing happening, it's working, spinning to get that one tight spot. Oh well. Not very efficient. 10% of your actual work is being used for doing what you need to do, 90% of it just turning the damn thing over. Oh well, that's what it takes. So I'll just keep going at this for a while and call it for tonight, and I'll come back and finish it up tomorrow. So I'll run this for a little bit more, and my hands are getting kind of sore, so good time to stop. Alright, we'll give it another 5 more minutes or so.